If you haven't added chapter markers yet, we need to add them. Before we do, it's best if you go to the menu bar, select Timeline, then deselect Selection Follows Playhead. This avoids placing markers on clips if you hit play to get to a chapter point you want. You can set this back to normal afterwards. What this function does is have Resolve select the clip the playhead lands on if you want to apply effects with shortcuts to that clip and other functions. By default, I believe this function is off. But if it isn't, now you know. Now it's finally time to add chapter markers to the timeline. These are indicated by the little blue marker points above the timeline. These can be added by placing the playhead on the desired chapter points, then click the marker button here to place a marker or hit M on the keyboard. If you happen to place a marker on a clip, then select the marker and hit delete or backspace. To add a label and color to the markers, just double-click the marker, enter the chapter label in the name box, and when you choose a color, you will need to assign all the chapters to the same color, because upon export of the video, you will be asked which color markers represent the chapter markers and labels. So, again, make sure you use the same color for the chapters. Now let's go to the Delivery tab. Here in this section, you will input a name for your file and its location. You can then set whatever settings you need for your render below. Make sure to check the box labeled Upload to YouTube directly. Then enter a title and description, which will appear on the YouTube details page. Notice the box labeled Chapters from Markers prompts the color of the chapter markers. Make sure this box and appropriate color is selected, or this whole process won't work. Next, you can choose to upload a thumbnail, for this video or not. Lastly, set your privacy for your video to either private, public, or unlisted. I will use unlisted so I can make final changes on the YouTube details page. Then, set your category accordingly. I'll choose Education, then click Add to Render Queue when you're done. If Resolve is already linked to a YouTube account, then you can just click Render. If you haven't done so already, then go to Davinci Resolve on the top left corner and select Preferences. Go to Internet Account, click Sign In. Your browser will open up, and you can select whichever Google account is connected to the YouTube account you want to upload to. It's possible that you may have to enter your password. If so, then do that. Otherwise, for others that let Chrome manage their passwords, you'll be prompted with this next screen, which will ask you to select a brand account if you have multiple YouTube accounts under one Google account. Choose the appropriate one. Resolve will ask for permission to access your account. Click Allow to give Resolve permission to manage uploading your videos. Then you'll get this screen if everything executed successfully. Next, go back to Resolve and click Save. Then go back to the Deliver tab and click Render. Once done, go to your YouTube page. On the left side menu, click on Your Videos. If you don't see it, then click on the hamburger icon on the left to reveal it. Then click on Your Videos. Find the video that was just uploaded. For me, it was the first one, since I have the sort function set to display the dates in descending order, which show the most recent videos uploaded first. Then click on the little pen icon to go to the Details page, and you'll see that Resolve automatically filled in the proper chapter times and labels, as well as other relevant information like the title and such. Go ahead and complete whatever changes you need to make before continuing. After everything looks good, on the right, change the visibility of your video to public for the world to see your new viral video. And you're done. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, go capture that once-in-a-lifetime moment.